In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up old records, correcting an error, or organizing your finances, knowing how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online can save you time and keep your accounts accurate. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business's financial transactions, and keeping your data clean and up to date is essential for smooth bookkeeping. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online company account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is your navigation panel, where you can access all the key areas of QuickBooks. For this task, you'll want to click on the option labeled Expenses. This will open up a new page where you can view and manage all your expense-related transactions. Now that you're in the Expenses section, look towards the top of the page. You'll see several tabs here, each representing a different category of expenses. To view all the bills that have been recorded in your account, switch over to the tab labeled Bills. This will filter your view to show only the bills, making it easier to locate the ones you want to work with. Next, scan through the list of bills displayed on your screen to locate the specific bill or bills you want to delete. You can use the search bar or sort the list by date, vendor, or amount to find them more quickly. Once you've identified the bill or bills, look to the left of each entry. You'll see a small checkbox next to each bill. Go ahead and select the bills you want to delete by clicking on these checkboxes. You can choose one bill or multiple bills at the same time, depending on what you need to remove. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice that a new toolbar appears on the screen. This is a context-sensitive toolbar, meaning it only shows options that are relevant to the actions you're currently performing. From this toolbar, click on the Delete button. You'll see a prompt pop up asking you to confirm your decision. This is an important step to ensure that bills are not deleted accidentally. Review the details one last time, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. QuickBooks will then remove the selected bills from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a bill in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.